Dear students, today I will teach the classic science exercise lesson number first, source of the food. भोजन के स्रोत. सोर्स ऑफ द फूड मीन्स भोजन के स्रोत, कि भोजन हमको कहाँ से प्राप्त होता है, भोजन के स्रोत क्या क्या हैं, इस चीज़ के बारे में हम लोग इस चैप्टर्स में रीडिंग करेंगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो look at this. What do animals eat? Animals क्या खाते हैं? Do you have an animals at home? आपने अपने घरों में एनिमल्स देखे होंगे. A dog, a cat, a buffalo or a goat. If you do, then you will be aware of the kind of food the animals eat. You may also have observed what other animals like the squirrels, pigeons, lizard or the small insects eat. It means mostly time you will aware the kind of foods of animals eats. आपने बहुत ही अवेयर किया होगा जो एनिमल्स फूड खाते हैं. You may also have the observed what other the animals like the squirrels, pigeons, lizard or the small insects eat. Obtaining the substance. Now look here. Obtaining the substance for the growth of the food, growth of the body, repair the worn out tissues and to obtain energy to do work by the living beings is known as the nutrition. The nutrition is called obtaining substance for the growth of the body, repair the worn out tissues and the obtain energy to do work by a living beings is known as the nutrition. Depending on how organism drive their nutrition, we classify them as the producers or autotrophs. What are the autotrophs? These are organisms that make their own food from the simple raw material like water and the carbon dioxide. Examples are algae, green plants and some bacteria. Look at the second part is the consumers or the heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means consumers. These are organisms which are incapable of making their food from the simple raw materials and therefore require it to be prepared by the other plants and animals. All animals, including the human beings, are heterotrophs or the consumers. This is the definition of the heterotrophs or consumer. Heterotrophs and consumer, both sense are equal, both meanings are equal. So this is the very important for this chapter. And now look at the next page. Food habits of the animals based on the type of foods eaten or the food habits. We can further categorize animal as: first is herbivorous, second is carnivorous, third is omnivorous. First is herbivorous. What are the herbivorous? Are animals that eat plants or plant products such as cattle, horses, camel and grasshoppers. Which type of animals? That is called the herbivorous. And look at the carnivorous. Carnivorous are animals that eat the flesh of other animals or only animals products such as lions, tigers, and whales. These are called the carnivorous animals. And last is the omnivorous animals. Are animals that can eat both plants as well as animals products such as man, monkey, and bears. So students, the three type of the food habits animals. First is herbivorous, second is carnivorous, and third is omnivorous. So this is the sufficient for this day. Next day I will teach the food variety and what is our food made of, food materials and the sources, edible parts of plants and the other types of activities in this chapter. So stay home and safe home. Bye.